Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about the Indo-China trade which has surged despite the tensions which has been escalated along the line of actual control. So I want to make a point here. Recently in the data released by the Chinese government has pointed out that India and China trade has uh, grow over 125 billions dollars despite tensions. And if I talk about the imports to India, then it was 35 billion US dollars. And if I talk about exports from China, then it was grow to 97.5 billion dollars, and which is about more than 46% if we compare to 2021 fiscal years. It is the statement which has been released by the Chinese government. And further, if we calculate other things, then the reason behind the imports in India are growing a lot is because due to the supply of raw material, especially from the China, which includes active pharmaceutical ingredients and other chemicals. And apart from this, the smartphones and the manufacturing parts of different automobile sectors item. And apart from this, the equipment or the other parts or the spare parts of mobile is also included in that. And in the COVID times, when the vaccines manufacturing was at a great pace, the need of active pharmaceutical ingredients grew a lot. And if I tell about active pharmaceutical ingredients, uh, we have also uh, we have also think in the past to establish a factory in India, but could not get so much success in this because the sanitation and hygiene is the primary reason which is needed for the establishment of the active pharmaceutical ingredients companies, which is also known as API industries. So this is the bigger cost which we have to pay in imports, in growing imports, especially from China. And if I talk about the Indian government data released in the April 2021 to October, the China was our second greatest trading partners. And it is the report uh, which has been given by the Indian government, not by the Chinese government. So I think this data is correct because we do not going to believe the data which has been released by the Chinese government, because in the past the data which has been released by the Chinese government are not so authentic. If I talk about why it is not authentic, then I can elaborate or delineate it with an example. In the class in Galwan Valley, the Chinese government has admitted that their number of casualties were very less, but after a year they have admitted that their casualties are 4 in numbers. But still I think it was more than that. Due to this number, the Chinese government data are not so authentic to be believed, but we are going to get the actual figure when the financial year of India will begin this year. So the government of India will definitely publish the data, bring out the data in which we could further clarify it whether it is correct or not. So I want to make a point here. If we want to not rely on China regarding imports, especially of raw materials, smartphones and other items, then we have to diversify the supply chains of raw materials. And apart from this, we have also need to follow the China plus one strategy, which says that we should not invest in China. We have to diversify the investment investment plans investment plans in other parts of the world, especially in the Southeast Asian nations, in the Central Asias. So at the end, I want that we should be vocal about local, and we should promote the self-reliance products in our countries. That's how we can cut our trade deficit with China a lot. Thank you.